Let's assume that it's 11 p.m. and you are going for a beachside club party which is 18 miles away from your home, but you said at home that you are just going 10 miles away at your friend's place for a sleepover. Your mom doesn't trust you, and an annoying uncle gives her a suggestion to ask you for your live location. You would be screwed if you do that, but don't worry my friend, I have a trick by which you can fake your live location. There is an app named Mock Location whose link I will share down in the description. After opening the app, tap and hold on your first location and then tap and hold on your destination, in this case, your friend's place. The app will build the path, and you can change the average speed at which you would like to show you are moving depending on your mode of transport, so it looks more obvious. And as you hit go, your journey will be mocked, and now without stressing out you can open your messaging app and share your live location with your mom. And yes, this works well with other apps too, so you can use any app that might not be available in your country. So that's it guys for today, see you soon in the next video.